To add Propeller Ads as a traffic source, we're going to go ahead and click on the Sources tab in the left-hand column, and then click on Traffic Sources. Now to the right, we're going to see Import from Catalog, and we just want to go ahead and click this purple button, and then search for our traffic source. So we can type it here, or we can just scroll down and find it. So we're going to go ahead and find it right here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and click the icon or logo, and then we can go ahead and set the postback URL. I'm going to go ahead and delete this URL here, and then go to Propeller Ads. And then in the left-hand column, we're going to see tracking, and we're just going to go ahead and click on this tab or anchor text here, and then copy the postback URL, and then just paste it in here, and then scroll down and click Save, and now our traffic source is successfully set. To create a new Propeller Ads campaign, we're going to go ahead and click on the light blue New Campaign button on top here. And then we're going to see a box that says Direct Link and Landing Pages, and we just want to go ahead and click this box. And then we're going to have two options to choose from. We're going to have it Quick Setup or Advanced. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Advanced Setup. And now we need to give our campaign a name, and then set the tracking domain. So because we only have one domain for this instance, we're going to go ahead and leave this at default. Now to the right, we're going to see tracking settings and data options, and we're going to go ahead and select the data options that we'd like to capture. So we can capture the geo data, mobile data, computer data, ISP and carrier, and so forth. Now to capture all the data that's available, we can just select all. And now we're going to leave everything here at default except for the campaign type. And because we're doing a direct linking campaign, we're going to go ahead and select direct link. Now in the macros and tokens section, we're going to go ahead and select our traffic source. And then select our bid cost model. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this at CPC. And so let's set the bid to 1 cent. Now we can add our first token and add additional tokens by clicking on the purple cross button. And then we can add our second token and so forth for our campaign. Once we've added all the tokens that we'd like for our campaign, we can go ahead and scroll down towards the offer section and add our first offer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the drop-down menu here and add a predefined offer. And then we're going to go ahead and set the share percentage by clicking on the equal button here. And now we can go ahead and scroll down and save. Please note that in order to send conversion data back to Propeller Ads, we need to make sure that this box is checked before saving the campaign. To create a new Propeller Ads push campaign, we're going to go ahead and click on the Create Campaign button on top here in blue. So now we can give our campaign a name. And select our advertising format. So we're going to be using push notifications, and then we can select the push notification type. So I'm going to go ahead and remove in-page push and only use classic push for this example. And we can leave the pricing model at default and then remove the additional ad formats. So now we need to go to CPV Lab and copy the campaign URL, paste it into the target URL section, and then we can leave most of this at default here. Now we're going to select a country. We'll just select the United Kingdom and then set the CPA goal to $1.25 since our payout is $1.85. And then we're going to go ahead and set the advertising budget. So we'll just go ahead and set this to $50 a day. And then set the total budget to $200. Now for the targeting, we're going to be targeting mobile devices and Android. Now this will vary depending on your offer. So we're going to go ahead and select Chrome, English, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the interests, select giveaways, and leave the rest of this at default. So now we can add our first creative, and we're going to go ahead and paste in our title and then our description. And now we can add an icon and then add the landscape image. Now we can go ahead and scroll down and then start the campaign, and then we're ready to go.